and welcome to today's Speaky Card reading. Today's topic is compliments your bosses and co-workers give you but behind your back. For that, as usual, we have three piles. Pile number one, journey. Pile number two, cozy witch. Pile number three, hope. Guys, if you like my content, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. You could also join my channel. Now let's get started. Hello, pile one. Let's see the compliments your bosses and co-workers give you but behind your back. Okay. I will no longer be treated as less than I'm worth. Assertive from people pleaser. So really I'm seeing a lot of you have changed your mindset, your body language. Now you are a complete go-getter. You have transformed yourself. There is a transformation energy clearly. You have learned to you have found your own worth. You have learned to assert your position and presence. Don't take nasty behavior from others. Literally I'm seeing you becoming way more assertive, you becoming way more work oriented. You do not take gossip seriously about yourself. You are usually have developed a thicker skin. That's a compliment. I'm seeing a lot of you used to be a little on the lazier side, a little bit of a procrastinator, very unsure of what you do. Today you are no longer that person. You are no longer, you cannot be treated like a doormat. You are rising and shining. Literally I'm seeing a lot of your co-workers are actually cheering for you. You have become that beacon of hope. A lot of you have become like that person who was once a little okay with whatever, like a doormat, people trampling all over them, to today not reaching their targets, and you're like a so okay-ish. And probably some of your bosses would say that this person has a lot of potential, but I wish that they acted up to that. So that is one thing I'm hearing, that you guys have changed. A lot of you could be Aries, Virgo, Cancer, Pisces. What I'm hearing is some of you are embodying this go-getter, Arian, pragmatic Virgo kind of attitude. That is something that they're complimenting you on. You have become more serious about your work, more disciplined about your work, more no nonsense about your work. A lot of you have a very a catchy, your looks is something that makes you stand out in the way, the way in which you do your hair. A lot of you have big, bold, intelligent eyes, very cerebral people. A lot of you are very poised, very idealistic. You have a lot of attention for your details, for the details. So when people need that kind of dotting the i's and crossing the t's, you are that person. A lot of you are very well endowed, very likable, very smart. Yeah, I mean, you are a great person. A lot of you have become transformed yourself from a doormat to somebody who has become more stubborn, somebody who knows how to stand their ground. So on the shadow side, I'm seeing some people who would probably take you and your niceness for granted, have started calling you arrogant. So that can be one part I'm hearing. Some of you are being called arrogant. Some of you have probably become leaner, fast worker, fast thinker, athletic. Those things are there. Right. You know what I'm hearing is a lot of you have become, you have become very serious professor type, very sharp, very masculine. If you are a male, you have become way more masculine, but whether it's a male or a female energy, you are embodying a lot of masculine energy. You are a problem solver, but you have become way more critical at that, critical thinker. That's a compliment. Very realistic, very goal oriented, little cynical, very methodical, regimented. A lot of you, I'm seeing, you have become very agile, very much like I need to finish this work on time, and I got to do whatever I got to do to finish it up on time. That kind of a mindset, very competitive, very athletic. A lot of you could be Capricorn or Taurus. Some of you could be having like a sharp, like very sharp jawline, angular nose, thicker eyebrows, very serious kind of face. I'm hearing very Capricornian, professional. Some of you probably have started dressing in a more professional manner. That is the compliment that this person, your body language has changed. You have become a person, you've turned yourself into a person who is only going to accept, who's gonna accept only, like, you're not going to accept nonsense from others. Go getter, I'm all about business. That kind of a person you have become. Sense of responsibility, yeah, what I'm hearing is a lot of you have become way more responsible about your work, about your career in general. You know what? You are no longer that conformist, rigid type, very insecure, yet very confident. Like, I'm seeing you tend to work on your confidence, you tend to work on your external visual stuff, because you, like, I'm seeing you have a past of insecurity and you have crossed past that very effectively. You're very cautious, very practical. Those are the compliments. Wow. Very, materialistic, but also you have your moral standards. You do not stoop in front of others in that regard as well. Very ambitious, extremely determined. A lot of you are ultimate worker bees, very clever and tenacious, very, very clever and tenacious. I'm worthy of investing in my own self. Literally, you have realized your worth. You know what you want to get out of your life, and you are absolutely unapologetic about it. I'm good and getting better. Literally, this is what I'm hearing, that you guys are getting so much better at what you do. I'm growing and I'm going at my own pace. Literally, you guys are growing at your own pace. You guys are doing so much better for yourself at your, and you are, a lot of you have started your side business, side hustle, which is doing better for you, which is really doing well for you. I'm proof enough of who I am and what I deserve. Literally, you know what, you have become way more assertive about what you deserve, like a pay raise, like a promotion, like that compliment that your boss wouldn't give you earlier. You ask for it, you ask for that rest, for that extra thing today. I welcome the wisdom that comes with growing older. Literally, this is what I'm hearing. Be brave. You are a brave person. You're a very brave person, and you have become way bolder with your life. Dream big. I'm seeing a lot of you used to dream big, but were procrastinators mostly, and that has changed. Somehow something has clicked inside of you. Your only limit is your mind. Literally, I'm hearing a lot of you guys were only limited in your minds, and that has changed big time. Almost there. You guys have reached a bigger, better situation in your life. There is always a way. Literally, this is what I'm hearing. You guys have found your way back. Forget the mistake, remember the lesson. This is what I'm hearing. You guys have made your mistakes in the past, but you've turned your mistakes, your life, into a lessons learned situation, where you have learned from your past mistakes and you've improvised upon those. Stay patient and trust your journey. Literally, this is another thing. I'm saying you have become way more your belief in your own self, your faith in your own abilities has improved, like in leaps and bounds. Believe you can, you are halfway there. Literally, your belief, your faith in your own abilities, that has improved big time. Keep growing. You guys have grown a lot. Drive your dreams. You have, literally, I'm seeing you guys had dreams earlier, but you would procrastinate, you would have imposter syndrome, you would literally come in your own way. that thing you have stopped doing at last. Find your sparkles. Literally, you are a person, you are at last, you guys are sparkling, you guys are winning in life journey. You are somebody who is literally, your life has been a complete journey. A lot of you are literally restarting. Almost some of the compliments that you get, that we can no longer recognize that old person, old pile one. They have changed, a new start. I'm seeing your compliments also you get, that this person is now set for success. This person is now, I'm seeing also people are calling you arrogant. Some shrewd people are calling you shrewd, because you can see right through their nonsense. Toil and labor, you have become a person who is really, your labor, your everything that you have put in is really giving you back in return. Today you're getting what you always deserved, unexpected income. Yeah, the compliments you're getting is, you're asking for that extra raise. Earlier you would toil and labor, but you would not ask for the income. Also, some of you would probably put in half baked effort. Today you guys have become way more workaholic. You no longer care what others would think, see, or do. You just do your stuff and move on. Strength, it takes great strength to be soft. I'm seeing, like, you are given the compliments of being someone who is very strong, at the same time who is ethical, who is moralistic, who hasn't lost their moral compass in life. As of now, you are still a morally guided person, someone who is morally upright, whose moral values are intact in place, but they are also a very strong person in their own way. Ace of Pentacles, wow, what an abundant opportunity. Literally, compliments are pouring in regarding the fact that this person is gonna do so much better for themselves. You will never get anywhere if you keep standing still. Literally, you guys have become, like, earlier I'm seeing a lot of you were pushovers, people pleasers. From there you have become a person, somebody who didn't have so much energy in their body. Today you are a person who is an energy, a force to reckon with. People really appreciate what you do with your life. That's what I'm hearing. Knight of Swords, be ambitious, chase your every dream. Literally, I'm seeing your every dream you can manifest. You can literally manifest your each and every dream. You can literally do everything you put your mind to. A lot of you could be actually a blogger and a vlogger and are doing so much better with your life. The Hierophant, tradition is important, but it doesn't have to be everything. Literally, this is what I'm hearing. You have become more of a out of the box thinker, more bold decisions you are making, more non-conventional decisions, unconventional decisions you're making, and that's raising your decisions, the statements you're making at your workplace, kind of decisions you're making, that's raising a lot of eyebrow raising kind of decisions I'm hearing. Replace your self-doubt with self-confidence. This is the glow up, more than physical glow up. Emotionally, you have become way stronger. Emotional glow up is what I can see. The Squirrel and Chestnut, preparation. You are a person today who is literally, you are prepared for success. That's the compliment, that this is a person who is prepared for success. One who is prepared for success is also willing to face whatever comes their way. That is something I can see. The Elk and Ash, strength. You are somebody who is seen as a very strong person, strong, determined, driven, focused person. Strength card coming twice. Compliments you're getting is, you have turned yourself into a very strong, reliable, dependable person. Even if you are an employee, you are a very reliable, someone who is dependable, very productive. The bee and pomegranate, very productive. Productivity is your key. That's what I'm hearing. The rooster and sunflower communication. I'm seeing you have become a terrific communicator. Communication, like you have become a great orator. Your speaking skills are like right off the charts speaking skills for a lot of you. Yeah, you are a very self-reliant and independent, a focused kind of a person, very self-reliant, very very independent, who knows exactly how far what their worth is and how far they have come. You are getting a lot of attention. You're kind of a big deal. Literally, you guys are getting a lot of attention. See, people are looking up to you. You have become that star performer. You are the star. I'm getting like a lot of star kind of vibes. It's Six of Wands. Like people who are your competitors also are looking up to you. They criticize you, but they also look up to you. The emperor, being the authority of your own life, comes with a lot of responsibility. Exactly. I'm seeing emperor is literally you have become the authority of your own life. You have literally become the person who is the emperor, who owns the emperor energy. Be brave and honest. Literally, you are somebody who is extremely brave, very honest, very diligent, someone who knows their way, someone who knows exactly how far they have come in their life, someone who is extremely like today you can literally take on anybody. That's the compliment. Like this is a person who has come this far, birthing a new age. You have become a forward thinker. A lot of you have embraced more of, probably have taken a training or you're planning to take training on AI, chat GPT, ML, those kind of situation, or you're embracing more of the newer technologies. That's what I'm hearing. Hold your vision. You have become a visionary. You have become a person who is a visionary, who knows exactly what their vision is. New moon in Taurus, prosperity lies ahead. You are a very very prosperous person. You are somebody who is very prosperous, who is very I'm seeing a lot of prosperity, a lot of um how shall I put it? Very prosperous, genuine, um, a- an abundant energy. I'm hearing. Literally, people compliment you on the fact that this person is now going to manifest abundance in their lives. Everything. Like, there was a time when people would say your bosses and co workers, like, they have so much potential, but wish they had put in that work. Today they are acknowledging the work that you are bringing on table. That's the thing, that's the compliment. All right guys, I hope you've got some clarity over your situation. If yes guys, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. Thank you. Namaste. Hello, pile 2. Let's see the compliments that your bosses and colleagues give you but behind your back. Okay. Being very unapologetic. Learn to say no without apologizing. Literally, you have become very not become, rather, you are a person who is very unapologetically yourself, a badass, a go getter. You are known, you're complimented for your self confidence. I'm saying, even if you identify as a female, which most of my uh, viewers are, I'm saying you could be embodying a lot of masculine energy naturally, not turning yourself. Like, you could be attracted to the pile one. First of all, there is a subtle difference. This is like you are naturally that way. You're very self motivated. That's the compliment. That's what they say about you, that this is a very entrepreneurial, very self motivated kind of a person. A lot of you could be the startup founders, and people who are working with you are your own employees. Or some of you probably started your startup as a side hustle, and that is giving you so much success. Standing up for your own self. Literally, you guys, you know how to stand up for your own self. Great communicator. A lot of you are fabulous communicator. You could be like mesmerizing. A lot of you also, what I'm hearing is very soft feminine as well, very well dressed, charming with words. You're very like you have the gift of the gab. You are also someone who has big dreams, who are like, okay, so some of you could be having a very soft charming look, but mentality wise you could be embodying a lot of masculine mentality. You also give off the vibes of somebody who is coming from old money, very rich culture. A lot of you could be Geminis or Sagittarius, okay, very tomboyish. A lot of you, okay, so most of you, I'm getting both the energy, soft and feminine vibe, but mostly it's tomboyish energy. A lot of you are actually very tech savvy, a disruption startup owner, or like one of the peoples who own that kind of a situation. Aquarius can be seen for a lot of you, a champion with big dreams and goals, very successful in your own way, very unique thought process. You could be full of ideas, yeah, eye for detail. A lot of you could also be Virgos, very quirky kind of styles. For some of you, you are feminine but not in a very conventional way. Yeah, that's a very, very feminine. I'm saying some of you are very misunderstood and you don't really care. Like you are very busy creating your career, that's your priority. So you do not really care whether people are misunderstanding you or understanding you right. Gemini can be significant, very, very funny people. Some of you are actually known for your awesome, um, you know, fun, like a fun quotient, funny sense of humor. That part is awesome. Very wise. Your sense of humor could be a little dark for some people. That's what I'm hearing. You could be having a darker hair, blue eye combo. Some of you could be having blonde hair, of course, or some color in your hair with dark, with some kind of highlight in your hair. Smile is really white, sparkly, gorgeous, very friendly. A lot of you guys are achievers. Right. Capricorn can be significant for a lot of you. Blonde or lighter hair or skin for some of you. Okay, I'm saying some of you could be having curly hair with with fairer skin, lighter skin, cooler undertones, and curly hair. That can be seen for a lot of you. Very forthright, very good speaker, very passionate and compassionate. You are somebody who is very, very possessive and protective of their own dreams, very feisty, fiery, bold communicator. Climbing the corporate ladder is your thing. Very competitive, very creative, very popular. You're also very, very sorted, very, strong head over your shoulders, very sorted. Program your success. You are a person who is successful. Like, you have literally, you have managed and programmed and almost manifested whatever you have achieved. You're very misunderstood, that's what I'm saying. Like, people tend to gossip about you a lot. All right, guys, up until now, if you like my content, if it sits well, please, please, please hit the like button and subscribe. That means so much to me. That helps me grow and gives me a lot of motivation. I can do anything. Literally, you have that mindset of, being able to do anything and everything with your life. You have that mindset. That's the biggest compliment. A lot of you have literally turned things around in your favor. Get big shit done. Rule number one, never be rule number two, never be number two. Literally, you guys are one of those people who have gotten a lot of bigger shit done in their life. Prove them wrong. I'm seeing a lot of you, as I said, the misunderstanding part, some of you have faced. Probably you do not talk to a lot of people because you have faced a lot of nonsense growing up. So that is something I'm seeing. Like, that has helped you. Like, you now tend to work towards your success, because for you it's your success that can stop everybody. A lot of people need to gossip behind your back. Yesterday, nope. tomorrow, nope, it's only today. You are this kind of a person who only believes that there is only one day, that is today, the present tense, which is a gift. You are a very practical thinker. That's the compliment. Like, you're very productive. You tend to get a lot of things done in a day. I'm seeing a lot of you have seen a lot of failure to reach where you have. So you own every bit of it. You're very protective about it. Be a light in this world. Literally, what I'm hearing is you are like a shining glory for a lot of you. You are that shining glory. Open your mind. You are someone who has a very open mind. You're very open to new opportunities. You are a very, as a leader, you're very democratic. You listen to everybody. You are a team person. You're a great leader, but you are also a team person. You are not autocratic. You have a very open mind. You are very motivating to your juniors. You're very motivating. Your success story is very motivating. You are a very quirky person who stands out in the crowd. You are just being yourself. You just being who you are. You just being the person who is massively successful makes such a difference. Wonder where the Wi-Fi is weak, dream big. Literally, you are a dreamer who has dreamt things up in life. You guys have done, you have achieved so much, you have acquired so much in life with your own like you are someone who had a lot of belief that I can do things, and you have done them. You only fall when you stop trying. Literally, I'm seeing you are a person who never stopped trying in the face of severe disillusionment, failure, impediments. When life gets tough, it's the tough who gets going. You are that toughy. That's the compliment. This is a person who doesn't give up easily. Don't worry, be happy. You also have a very happy disposition. Okay, we have so much work to finish today. Let's just be happy and do the work rather than being grumpy cats. Oh God, I have so much to do. Instead, you are like, thank God I have the work. There are so many people who are searching for work. Take a ride to refresh your mind. Literally, this is a person I'm hearing who has really gone a long way in life. My life is not a race or a competition. I'm seeing a lot of you, your life is like, you believe in living your life on your own terms. You have always lived, you are a very non-conformist kind of a person, a Sagittarius, Gemini, Leo, Aquarius, very non-conformist, and you don't care what others say. When I focus on my reason for being, I am infinitely brave. You are a person who is very brave, very diligent, very focused. I'll allow myself to evolve. Literally, you guys have evolved as an individual. You guys have literally, you've gone a long way. My weirdness is wonderful. You are a very eccentric kind of a person. A lot of you are like, if you put your mind to something, you can like crazily work towards that. A lot of you have that kind of patience and perseverance about yourself. There is strength in quiet. There is vulnerability in being loud. Literally, I'm seeing a lot of you. You guys are a quiet and strong person, strong yet quiet kind of a person. My body is beautiful in this moment and at its current size. Literally, I'm hearing a lot of you guys at a current size, you guys are beautiful. You guys are very confident in, like, a lot of you. Okay, some of you probably have faced bullying related to your body issues, and today you guys are so confident in your own skin. Words may shape me, but they do not make me. I am here already. Literally, you guys are doing so well for yourself. The Cozy Witch. Take a chance, for each morning is a new beginning. Literally, what I'm hearing is a lot of you, you have embraced your life. You have embraced who you are. You have embraced the. You literally genuinely believe that you only live once, so let's just live it to the fullest. That's the first idea that you have embraced. Five of Cups. Spill tea isn't the end of the world. Literally, you are someone who is, you are a person who does not like, you do not think that if something goes wrong, that will end everything. Like, you are not a very doomsday predictor kind of a person. You are an emotionally very strong person. A lot of things have gone wrong, I'm hearing, in your journey, but the compliments you receive, that this is a person, in spite of a lot of things going wrong, nothing could break you. Breaking you is not easy. That's the compliment. Ace of Swords. Look at you. You're busting with sparkly new ideas. You are known for very out of the box thinking. You are known for your out of the box ideas for sure. Four of Swords. Why aren't you resting? Literally, you are a person who doesn't really rest much. You do not take rest as much. You tend to work, and work some more. That's something I can say. Page of Wands. Just because you're passionate about it doesn't mean it's effortless. Literally, I'm seeing a lot of you have, you have effortlessly, you have worked towards your success to reach where you have, and people consider that, people really laud you for the kind of efforts, the kind of relentless effort that you have put behind your career to make it a success that you have today. Always compose yourself before giving a response. King of Cups. You are also, your words are very generous, kind, warm. That is because you're a very wise person. Your life has taught you a lot of wisdom. You are a very calm and composed kind of a person, someone who knows what their priorities are. Someone, you are a person who is very, very reliable, someone who is very generous. I'm seeing a lot of maternal and paternal vibes from you. Your juniors tend to come to you for life suggestions and lessons. Wolverine. You are a lot tougher than you think you are. Literally, this is what I'm seeing. People say that this is a very, very tough person. You have literally created your own journey. Daughters of our mother, workers of the unknown, take with you on this journey all that you own. Literally, you are a self made, self created person. Expect a powerful change. People literally think that you're meant for bigger things than what you have already achieved in life. Polar bear. Stand up for yourself and speak your truth respectfully and compassionately with no attachment to outcome. Literally, what I'm hearing is you have the guts to speak your truth, speak your mind, and you do it with a lot of compassion, with a lot of respect and compassion. You are not somebody who is too much attached to what the outcome might be, because you have faced a lot of things in life. You have become more of a detached kind of a person. Create a sacred space for yourself in your home or at place of work. You are a person who is very, you know what, you are a very creative person who needs their own space. You are a person, you can be with anybody, but at the same time you are also, a lot of you are ambiverts, basically introverts who can mingle with everybody, but you need your own space as well. You prefer a life in quiet contemplation. For most of you, Earth Guardian. Stay rooted and grounded. You are somebody who is very grounded, very focused on their own selves, very, very rooted. Platypus, stop complaining and focus your attention on the blessings in your life. Literally, you are a person who is very, very, you believe in counting your blessings because you've seen so much worse that you are not one of those people who tend to complain, cry, grieve at the drop of a hat. You are somebody who is very self-reliant, someone who is very grateful for whatever has come your way. Take yourself out on a date, singular dates. That's something I can see, that you are someone who is capable of taking their own selves out on a date, out on something which is like a you are someone in a crowded restaurant. You can go on your own and sit in a center table and not like feel awkward about it. Your own personal dates are very important. You can take your own self out on a date. You are that kind of a person. You very much like, your sense of ownership is something that makes you stand apart and people compliment you. Treat your body like the palace it is. Literally, you have been through a lot of body image issues for sure, and that is something like you guys have learned to treat yourself, that has taught you to treat yourself, your body, with a lot of respect for sure. All right guys, I hope you've got some like clarity about your situation. If yes guys, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. Thank you. Namaste. Hello, hello, pile 3. Let's see the compliments your bosses and co workers give you, but behind your back. All right, I'm seeing a lot of you are Cancer, Virgo, Scorpio, straight away Capricorn. I'm seeing a very serious vibe, very shy, introverted, someone who is only all about their work, someone who is a reader. Other than your work, you read. You are a very warm, compassionate person. A lot of you are pretty introverted. You just work. I'm seeing a lot of you are very underrated, very academically. The compliments you get is, you are a very academically, a technically strong person. That is something. A lot of you probably just are not anything. You've got nothing to do with style and fashion. You're more in your comfy zone, wearing glasses, baggy shirts, baggy pair of jeans, sweatshirts. That's your style. A lot of you probably lack in the confidence department, but also, you are very graceful, you're very warm, you're very ethical. Your presence is very uplifting. You might not say a lot of word, but in a very like, brevity is your strong point. Like, in a small sentence, you can you can express yourself really well, very well educated. You come across as somebody, space cadet, someone, I'm seeing someone walking down the corridor. They're lost in their realm of ideas. A lot of them, they just wonder what's going on, because they really value your thoughts. People at your workplace, they really value your thoughts, your brain. You are a person, a lot of you are very sapiosexual. A lot of you are the researcher type, having vivid active mind. Literally, you love to reside in your realm of ideas. You do not say much, you just do. You are a worker bee. Yeah, also you're very empathetic, very, very an animal lover. Some of you could be cat lovers. Some of you could also be like attached with something charitable, or you are very charitable in nature. You are known for your magnanimity. You're a very bright sunshine presence. You have very high vibrational. You think before you speak. You're that kind of a person. You are like a lighthouse in a sea of darkness. I'm seeing when things are not going well, when some people who are not doing well in their life, in their career, they tend to come to you for suggestion. You tend to give people very wise suggestions. You're very chilled. You are not the competitive type. And with that chilled mindset attitude, you tend to win most of it. Like you tend to get awesome, you are one of those like students who do not take a lot of stress, but they come in the top 3 category. You are a natural at what you do. You're technically very sound, very focused, but you are not in the rat race. You are not that, oh god, I got to put in so many hours. That is the thing. And you do not need to put in so many hours in order to achieve the goal. That is something I can see as well for you. All right. Well wisher, positive. You are very happy when others are doing well. You're a very positive person. A lot of you could be having brown hair and black eyes, something that people compliment you on. I'm seeing ethnically, a lot of you probably tend to stand out. You are a very warm, ethical person. That's the first thing. Like someone who is all about their work. If it's an office, you're not a part of any kind of office politics. You are a very straightforward person who comes to office, does their work, goes back home. I deserve self-respect and a clean space. I'm seeing this too. Like you are a very self-respecting person. That is something you care about, that you respect others and you expect that in return. You are also, a lot of you could be a little OCD-ish about your clean space. I'm open to healing. Your presence is very healing. Even your bosses feel, a lot of you could actually be very spiritual, maybe a little intuitive, and people talk about it, some make fun of it, I'm hearing as well. Asking for help is a sign of self-respect and self-awareness. Literally, self-respect is something, self-awareness, these are the things that defines you. People really feel around you, people feel that you give others that space as well, and they return that back to you. I'm confident in my unique gifts and talents. You are a very talented and a very, very gifted soul. My sensitivity is beautiful and my feelings and emotions are valid. You are a very valid individual. You're a very valid person. There is something in this world that only I can do. That is why I'm here. Literally, you are a person, I'm seeing, you are quietly, you are very well aware of your worth, what you bring on table. So you don't have to scream from rooftop to tell people, just look at me, because you're very quietly self assured. All right, guys, if this rings true, then please, please, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, because that helps me grow and gives me a lot of confidence to take things forward. I'm still learning, so it's okay to make mistakes. Yeah, you are very, you are a very warm, open kind of an individual who is okay with making mistakes, your own and that of others. You do not nitpick, focus on the good. Exactly, you're a very good person who focuses on the good things in life. Positivity is the key. Focus on the good. Do not forget to smile. Literally, I'm seeing positive, smiling. Like you are a genuinely warm person who creates a lot of positive vibes wherever they go. Never stop believing. You do not believe, you do not stop believing in what things might have done. Like I'm seeing, you are a person who never stopped believing in their own selves. Do what makes you happy. Literally, I'm seeing you. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. You are a person, you have a very happy disposition. Also, you didn't make others happy. You are a very lenient yet very effective boss, team leader. If you are a team lead for some people, you're very effective, very lenient. You grow through what you go through. Literally, what I'm hearing, you are a person who has, you have faced your own battles, and that has made you evolve. You are an evolved person. Believe in your own self. Absolutely, you believe. You have a very quiet but like stout belief in your own abilities. You give off a lot of good vibes. Absolutely. If not now, when? It always seems impossible until it's done. Literally, what I'm hearing is, you are a person who is literally, you are somebody who feels like everything is impossible until you get it done. Go where you feel most alive. Literally, this is what I feel. Like you feel, you do what you feel is the best thing for you to do. Sunsets are proof that endings can be beautiful too. Literally, you are a person who is literally, you know what? You are a person who genuinely believes in goodness. You genuinely believe life can be good. You genuinely believe in goodness of people in general, even those people who have done you dirty in life. You do not wish ill of them, transforming life. You have a very transformation, I'm seeing a lot of transformation, hope, transformation, metamorphosis, that a lot of you could be a life coach, you could be a motivational speaker, a motivational figure at your workplace as well. That is something I can see for a lot of you. The goat and willow overcoming obstacles. You guys overcame a lot of obstacles to reach where you have today. You guys, you know what I'm seeing? You have had your own obstacles, but you are a person who has silently fought through a lot of it. That's what I'm hearing. You do not sell your past in order to make yourself popular or in order to make money. The bobcat and blackthorn, patience. You are a very patient, reliable kind of a person. Three of wands. Put yourself out there and you will be rewarded one way or the other. Literally, I'm seeing very introverted energy. Someone who quietly tend to just put their head down and do the work kind of a person. You do not do any kind of gossiping, any office politics, nothing. You're a very clean, warm, ethical kind of a person who is very good, mind you, very, very good at what they do. It's only because of your capability you are where you are today. Nothing is ever as hopeless as it seems. Literally, I'm seeing you guys are, you're like, massively things are changing for you. Nothing ever was as hopeless as you are, like as you felt. Like you are an eternally positive person, because you have seen way worse in life, so you're very motivating. I'm seeing, let go of self-imposed limitations. I'm seeing a lot of you have struggled through imposter syndrome, and now you're doing better because you've stopped coming in your own ways. I'm seeing a lot of you have overcome procrastination and self-doubt to reach where you have. And you are a very introverted person in general. You do not talk much, you work. Page of Swords, curiosity is a type of magic. I'm seeing you guys being really, really curious, very focused, curious, very ahead of their times. Five of Wands, a good coven lets every witch have a say. Literally, you are a very good leader. That's what I'm hearing. That's the compliment your co-workers would give you, that this is a person who is very democratic. They let most youngest, junior most person in the group to even have a say. You are that kind of a leader, that kind of a person. You're a genuinely gem of a person. Seven, who are you guys, by the way? Just tell me in the comment section below if you wish. Literally, Seven of Cups. Not every great option you are given will be a great option for you. Literally, I'm seeing you are a person who is like, you are a very good judge of human character. You have very strong head over your shoulders. You can gauge a person, a particular moment, really, really well, pretty well. King of Pentacles. True success isn't just about money, it's about happiness too. Absolutely. You are somebody who is very, what I'm seeing, you are a person who tend to enjoy their own company a lot more. You probably tend to enjoy like sitting at the mountain top and enjoying the scenery out there. You are that kind of a person. Like doing your own stuff makes you happy. Maybe some of you just love what you do and that makes you very, very happy. A lot of you could be that way. Take note of intuitive messages. Yeah, you are a very intuitive person, very intuitive, very focused, very your intuitions are usually on points, your gut feelings are usually on point, and people really like people make fun of that, people also respect you for that. Track down your fears and desires. You are one of those people who literally faced their they have you have faced your fears and moved on in life. You have faced your fears. Facing your fear is something which is very critical, I'm saying. Leo can be significant. Don't let pride get in your way. A lot of you guys, literally, you are a person, you are a high achiever with a lot of humility. You're very humble. You have a lot of achievements, but at the same time, a lot of humility as well. That is something I can see as well. Winter, take care of your needs. You are a person, you know you know you have been through the winters of your life. You have been through phases where you have to literally pull yourself out of the deep dark ditch that you found yourself into. So I'm seeing you are a person who literally knows how to pull one. You can be a very good therapist. You probably act as a therapist, a very good advisor, very good guide for a lot of your juniors. That's what I'm hearing. They really compliment you on that you give very sound, solid advice. You're probably known for that as well. Energy is gaining momentum. I'm hearing you're becoming more and more popular without even trying to. Like, people are taking note of you. I'm hearing, like, even you probably, a lot of you probably do not feel very comfortable in that because you guys are mostly very introverted, or you like prefer your own space. So but you guys are gaining a lot of momentum. Roadrunner, keep your sense of humor and don't take things so seriously. Yeah, literally, you are known for your awesome sense of humor as well. A lot of you guys, you're just known for your awesome sense of humor, and people talk about it that, oh my god, this person, if they speak, they just speak so well, or they speak like something really solid, or like you do not speak much, but at times you probably give off those dark kind of dry jokes which tend to make everyone with a straight face. So that is something people really like. You are a very intellectually blessed person. Your ancestral spirit guides are offering you guidance now. So pay close attention to signs and omens. Literally, you are very divinely guided, and people realize that this is a person who has got the hand of Mother Lakshmi and Saraswati over their head. Literally, it's time to take action. You're very action oriented. When it comes to your work, you believe in getting things done. You are a person who is very quietly assertive. That is something I can see. All right, guys, I hope you've got some clarity over your situation. If yes, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment. Thank you. Namaste.